On today's Disney Roundup, a villain stage show is set to replace Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy, holiday festivities coming to the Disneyland Resort, and price increases for Fantasmic at Hollywood Studios. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Parks news, coming next summer, Disney has announced that a villain stage show will be coming to Hollywood Studios. Deep in the shadows of Sunset Boulevard at Disney's Hollywood Studios, something delightfully wicked is about to take the stage. It's an all-new live production starring your favorite Disney villains, debuting summer of 2025. The creative minds at Disney Live Entertainment will transform Sunset Showcase into the mysterious reflective realm of the Magic Mirror. The show will feature appearances by dozens of the most infamous evildoers, with fiendish foes Cruella de Vil, Captain Hook, and Maleficent each breaking through the glass to take the stage in live production numbers. Before these villainous friends take the spotlight at Sunset Showcase, guests should speed on over for another lap around the track at Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy before October 7th. More on the show will be announced in the future. Coming this holiday season, Disneyland Resort has shared new experiences that will be offered this season. Holidays at Disneyland Resort begins this year on November 15th, that also being the same day Tiana's Bayou Adventure will open at Disneyland Park. This holiday season, Santa Claus and select characters will be at Fantasyland Theater at Disneyland, which will also feature cookie decorating, craft making, and storytelling throughout the day. Santa will also make stops for photos across the resort, and you can see him in a Christmas Fantasy Parade. From November 22nd through January 1st, the Chip 'n Dale's Ornament Trail Pursuits will debut at Downtown Disney District, where you can search for special ornaments hidden among the holiday trees and shining lights. You'll be able to purchase an activity map at select shopping locations in the Downtown Disney District and the hotels of the Disneyland Resort, and redeem it for a collectible keepsake at World of Disney or Disney Pin Traders. Beginning November 19th, Goofy's Kitchen celebrates the holidays, will delight guests at Disneyland Hotel, and for the first time, Mickey's Holiday Pajama Party, breakfast, and brunch at Storyteller's Cafe at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa will serve holiday-themed meals accompanied by seasonal decor and select characters donning new pajamas. Guests can hear holiday stories about Walt and the Disney family during the holiday time at the Disneyland Resort guided tour. One very special Disney holiday tradition is watching snowfall from above, and fireworks filled the air during the Believe in Holiday Magic Nighttime Spectacular, which will perform nightly at Disneyland. And as an additional wintry treat every night, you'll also experience snowfall along Rivers of America outside of It's a Small World Holiday on Main Street, USA, and the west end of downtown Disney. In DCA, hundreds of fountains dance to festive music, and shimmering snowflakes fill Paradise Bay during the Nighttime Spectacular World of Color Season of Lights. The welcoming and vibrant Disney Festival of the Holidays returns to Disney California Adventure, highlighting a diverse season of celebration in Southern California with a wide range of flavorful food and beverages, a variety of live entertainment, and more. Select attractions will also receive seasonal overlays, including a world tour of good cheer for all ages at It's a Small World, Haunted Mansion Holiday, Luigi's Joy to the Whirl, and Mater's Jingle Jamboree. Holidays at the Disneyland Resort begin starting November 15th and runs through January 6th. Guests planning to visit Hollywood Studios, be aware the price has just increased for Fantasmic Dining Packages. Over this past week, Disney has increased the cost for Fantasmic Dining Packages at Hollywood Studios. Per WDW News Today, the price of dining packages went up at all eligible dining locations, increasing $6 for adults. Price for kids packages 9 and under remained the same. Fantasmic Dining Packages let you reserve a VIP spot for the Nighttime Spectacular. Packages come with an entree and dessert at one select full-service restaurant or one full buffet, along with a non-alcoholic beverage or alcoholic beverage for guests 21 and older, and one voucher for guaranteed seating at Fantasmic in a reserved area. Starting this week, you can now meet Luisa and Isabela from Encanto at Disneyland Park. Over this past week, Disney shared that Mirabel's sisters from Encanto, Isabela and Luisa, will now be having meet and greets at Disneyland Park. Per WDW News Today, the characters will be meeting at the courtyard of Rancho del Zocalo Restaurante beside Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. As to how long Mirabel's sisters will have meet and greets has not been shared, but Disney says it will be for a limited time. Now in outside the parks news, coming to the downtown Disney district, Disney has shared new shops and restaurants that will be coming to the shopping center. Disney has shared several new shopping and dining experiences that are being added to the downtown Disney district at the Disneyland Resort. Coming this winter, an all-new shopping destination will open in the district, celebrating the unique fandom and stories of Earth's mightiest heroes and all their amazing friends. Avengers Reserve will feature favorite characters and stories through collectibles, apparel, accessories, toys, and comics. Also coming this winter, the D-Lander shop will be a fresh, quintessentially Southern California boutique celebrating trend-forward fashions for Disneyland fans, offering a stylish collection of apparel, accessories, and jewelry. Marceline's Confectionery is being reimagined and expanded into the Disney wonderful world of sweets, a whimsical candy, sweets, and treat shop featuring tasty favorites such as churro toffee, caramel apples, sour balls, lollipops, packaged confections, and freshly made Werther's Original Caramel Popcorn. The shop will also open this winter. There are new details on the two new restaurants, a steakhouse and barbecue eatery, that are in the works for downtown Disney District from Michelin-starred chef Joe Isidori. The full-service steakhouse will have a warm and sophisticated ambiance with a menu highlighting prime cuts of beef, chops, fresh seafood, sandwiches, and chopped salads. The adjacent barbecue spot will take a culinary approach to quick service, offering traditional barbecue dishes such as pulled pork, beef brisket, and smoked wings that incorporate unique spices and house-made sauces. A prominent outdoor bar will feature a wide selection of craft beers and a medley of moonshine cocktails. An all-new Earl of Sandwich is being developed in downtown Disney District. In addition to a light and airy Earl of Sandwich planned for the ground level, the second floor will be home to an all-new table service concept, the Carnaby Tavern. The Carnaby Tavern is being designed as homage to the swinging 60s British invasion pop and rock bands from the UK. This restaurant will feature a patio with an indoor-outdoor full-service bar. The Earl's location on the east side of the district will close in 2025, so construction may begin on Porto's Bakery. Alright everyone, that's you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each single week. That's all you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.